Hi, welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where our goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 stretches that you can do right before you do your squat session, okay? So it's going to help you burn fat and increase your energy for the whole day. Before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help getting started, just click the link in the description section in my bio for my free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. So these stretches that I'm going to be showing you today are going to help with the lower body to help open up your hips and get ready for these squats. So let's get it. All right, so the first stretch that we're going to do is we're going to open our legs. All right, all the way open. You're going to go down into a squat, all the way down, and you're going to use your elbows to push those knees out to give it a deeper stretch to help open up those hip flexors and get your body ready, okay? So you're going to count 15 seconds. We got 10 more seconds. Make sure you're keeping your head up, back straight. All right, we have 5 seconds left. All right, good job. All right, so the next stretch that I like to do, all right, I like to do a reverse lunge, and I like to rock. It just feels really good. It opens up my hips. It gets my hips warmed up, my glutes warmed up, my hamstrings warmed up. And I'm gonna do 15 seconds each leg. Keeping that back straight. All right, we have 5 seconds left. And then we're gonna go right into our other leg. All right. Slow and steady. All right, keeping your toes straight and rock, 15 seconds. Feels really good. Get that body open and ready. All right, we got 5 seconds left. All right. All right, so the next stretch that I like to do is I like to get down, open up my legs, making sure my feet are flat on the side, and just hold this position for about 15 seconds. And I'm just pushing down my elbow just to give it a deeper stretch, keeping that back straight. All right, we have 5 seconds left. Okay. All right, get up slow and steady. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand on one leg and hold. All right, this can take a little practice. Definitely balancing. All right, and just keeping your body straight, tight. And just focus on something that you see on the wall, and that'll help. And if you need to hold on to anything, you can just find a wall nearby or a chair, something that you can just help hold that balance. All right, and then you're gonna switch your legs. Make sure you're breathing. All right, we got 5 seconds left. Okay. All right, the next stretch that we're gonna do is called the Shin Box. All right, so you're gonna sit down. All right, you're gonna put your legs and knees at a 90-degree, back straight, head high, and you're just gonna rotate. All right, we're gonna do this 15 seconds. And if you want, you can move your hands with it. I just like to keep mine in front. That'll just help me balance. Okay. All right, so the next stretch that we're gonna do is called a butterfly. So we're gonna put our feet together, make sure your back is straight, head is high, and you're just gonna simply hold. If you want, you can use your elbows, push down, keeping that back straight. And you're just gonna hold for 15 seconds, okay? All right, we got 5 seconds left. All right, for the next one, we're gonna bring our feet out. All right, this is gonna help a whole lot with that lower back. You're gonna feel it in your hamstrings. You're gonna feel it everywhere, all in your lower body. All right, and just hold this 15 seconds. All right, so the next stretch. All right, we're gonna cross our leg over the opposite leg. All right, you're gonna take your left elbow, right leg, keeping your back straight, and just do a nice twist. All right, just gonna loosen up your lower back so that you don't injure your back during the squat. All right, we're gonna hold each side 15 seconds. All right, we have 5 seconds left. Make sure you're taking nice deep breaths. All right, and we're gonna switch. Make sure you're breathing, keeping your back straight. All right, we have about 5 seconds left. All right, ladies, so that concludes the stretches for the lower body. So if you're about to do some squats, anything lower body, just go ahead and do those stretches. It's going to help open up the hip flexors and prevent a lot of injuries. And remember, if you still need help, just click the link below for my 5-day free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. And I'll see you ladies on the next video.